to dye my hair now and I'm very nervous, but I've got all my supplies here. It's been a long time that I have actually dyed my hair or bleached my hair. So this is my hair. As you can see, this is a virgin hair. I have not dyed this part, but these ends are box dyed, they are bleached, they've been colored like crazily. And I've tried to grow my hair, I've tried to not color or dye my hair, but I'm just so bored. I'm very bored of my hair and I just want a change. And I guess I'm doing like a pretty big change because I'm dyeing my hair red. But before that, I'll have to bleach my hair. That's why I'm using like a powdered bleach and a 30 volume developer. So this is Majirel Professional Coloring Cream. Until now, I have dyed my entire head of hair. I've done ombre, I've done highlights, but today I want balayage. And for that, I've watched Brad Mondo's videos and I guess I'm prepared now. So I've got all the essential things, like I've got Vaseline to cover like my hairline, my ears, I've got some gloves, I've got like a mixing bowl and a brush. I also have some cut up foil papers. I actually did not use any foil paper. Combs and more brushes and more hair clips. I guess now what's remaining is for me to bleach my hair. So yeah, I'll just quickly partition my hair and I'll be back. So I've done a partition from here to here and I've like put a clip right over here, and now I'm just going to work on this back section and I'm going to try to do diagonal sections like Brad explained in his video. I'm not sure if I can be able to do it on myself, but I have a mirror over here and yes, let's just get started. I won't be able to speak while I do this because I'm scared as I'm very much overwhelmed right now, but I want to do it. I need a change. I just need to get over it. I'm trying to make a really thin diagonal sections at the back. Okay, the first section is done. It's a mess over here, but I try to make diagonal sections and I'm going to work on both the sides like equally. I'll just go gradually up like this and then I'll work on the top section. The one thing that I've learned is the difference between ombre and balayage is the fact that in balayage you leave certain sections in between the bleached sections, and while doing ombre you don't leave any sections, so all the ends are saturated when you do ombre. The bleach mixture is ready. Now I'm going to apply it just how Brad explained in his videos. I applied foil paper on the first two sections and then I just completely omitted it because it was taking a lot of time for me to do it. I tried to saturate the ends very well while dragging the bleach upwards. So the back sections are done and now I'm moving on with the side sections. The bleach is almost over, so I'll have to do like another batch. I tried to drag the bleach only till the mid sections because I didn't want it anywhere near my roots. Also, I just wanted a subtle change. I didn't want my entire head to be red. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. I was so afraid to apply the bleach on the front section of my hair. That's why I've applied very less product over there, because I didn't want any vibrant hair color around my face. I'll cover my head with a bag. This is almost done. The color has started to lift. I'll wait for more 20 to 25 minutes and I'll wash my hair and then I'll be back. After rinsing my hair, it was looking something like this. The hair was wet here, that's why you couldn't see the lightness of my hair, but I knew it had lifted. Once the hair was dried, I was able to see that. I blow dried my hair after this and then I applied the red dye. The fuck is it looking pink? As you can see, I was not amused at all while applying this hair dye. I was actually scared that the hair color will turn out pink, but I guess it turned out pretty nice once the hair was dried up. The color turned out so pretty over here, as you can see, but this part was very lightened, and this is another strand which was not processed that much, so it is not that vibrant. Moving ahead, I started applying the dye on my hair by first detangling my hair and making thin sections, and I did not use any foil papers once again in this entire process. I made sure to saturate each and every hair strand by leaving about 1.5 inch of roots. After applying all the dye on my hair, I wrapped up my hair in a plastic bag and I just kept it for 30 to 35 minutes, and then I rinsed it with cold water, applied a lot of conditioner, and then this is the final result. Are you guys ready for the final reveal? This is my hair in natural light. As you can see, the color has turned out very vibrant towards the ends, and the balayage has turned out pretty nice, I guess, because the transition from black to red has turned out perfectly. This is my hair in the natural sunlight. I am absolutely loving the color payoff, and as you can see, my hair is shining, it is looking very healthy, unlike how it looked before when it was literally black brown. I have not styled my hair. I've just blow dried it and applied a hair serum, and I've not applied any heat on my hair as of now. I just cannot believe how good this has turned out because this is exactly what I wanted. So the total cost for this hair transformation was, I guess, around 1000 rupees, and it would have been less if I wouldn't have bought foil paper, which I didn't end up using. Brad Mondo, if you're watching this video, then please let me know how I did it and what I did wrong. I guess it turned out pretty nice. I guess it's looking good. I mean, what else do you need, right? That's it for this video, guys. I guess we are done here. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I'm pretty sure that I will be keeping my hair like this for a long time because I really like how it is looking on me. But if you know me, I get very bored very soon. So look out for any more hair transformations in the future. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and like this video if you liked how my hair has turned out. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My ID is Holy Sharayu. Until next time, bye!